Reach and pull, reach and pull. Okay.
I'm caught now.
You are. Okay, you are. Okay, go back and jump in again. Abby. Do it again and then to the wall. No, go down some more. No, this way. Abby, over there. Over. Fall. Okay. Swim back to the wall. Reach and pull, reach and pull. Okay. Abby, listen to Mommy. Swim all the way down to the other side. Can you swim all the way down to the other side? To the other side? Go, go, go. Reach and pull, reach and pull, reach and pull.